Today we discussed about. Today we are going to discuss about change management types. Before we understand about change management, before we understand about change management, we will just recall. We will just recall what we have discussed in the past. We discussed about what is incident, an incident life cycle. Also, we discussed what is problem, and problem life cycle. Okay, we will just recap what we discussed in the past. Then we will actually continue our change management for today. So normally in the IT organizations, if something is not working for us, if there is a sudden interruption in the service, that is called incident. So as soon as incident has happened, as soon as something is not working in the IT service, immediately we will create a incident record to the respective service team. We will create an incident record to the respective service team. Someone from that service team will start working on that incident. Let me just open the incident form. I'm opening all incidents which are created. Okay. So consider you created this incident record. Okay. You created incident record as something is not working for, as something is not working in the IT organization. You created an incident. That incident is assigned to respective team. Someone from the team will start working on it. Okay. Someone from the team will start working on it. He will close that incident. He will close that incident. Okay. So likewise in the IT organization, if something is not working, employees will create an incident to the respective service team. Someone from that service team will own that incident. They will actually start working on that incident. They will provide the resolution for your IT service incident. Okay. They will provide the resolution for IT service incident. Okay. So this is how we use incidents in the IT organizations. Well, guys, if an incident is repeatedly happening, that means if there is an interruption in the service repeatedly, so that means the server is not working repeatedly. Then what we will do, we will ask service team, to not to close this incident. Instead, we will ask service team to create the problem. How they will create the problem? From this incident, they will create the problem. Why the problem is required here? To identify the root cause, to provide the permanent solution, to this particular incident. Okay, to provide the permanent solution to this particular incident, problem is required. Okay. So this problem is assigned to some level 3 service team who has expertise knowledge. Okay. So here you will confirm that this is a problem and you will provide the temporary solution. You will also provide the root cause nodes. You will also provide the root cause nodes here. For providing that, you will also provide the fixed nodes as well. Those fixed nodes will go to incident. Let me just click on fix in progress, and let me just click on resolve here. So once I click on resolve here, now you can see this incident will have the fixed nodes here. Fixed nodes are attached here. So once you close this problem, see, once you resolve this problem, the incident is automatically resolved here. The incident is automatically resolved here. So upon confirmation from this caller, you can close this incident. So why the problem is required, guys? Here you answer me. Why the problem is required? I have allowed everyone to speak. Now you tell me why the problem is required here. Gauri?
Sir, continuously
Hmm.
one incident is repeatedly
See,
sir,
repeated interruption in the service is called problem.
problem.
Hmm. You told that what is problem, but why do we have to create the problems?
Permanent solution income.
To
But
get the permanent solutions, we will create
main
the
root
problems
cause,
in the
main root cause analysis first.
yes.
Then
Very
fix.
good.
Then after
Very
the
good.
fix is problem.
Yes.
Mainly using
Okay.
root cause analysis.
Fine. Fine. Okay. Now we will understand change management in today's session. Change management in today's session. Okay. What is change and all we have to understand first. What is change? Guys, I will give you one example so that you will be able to understand it better. So we all know WhatsApp, right? Do you know the WhatsApp, guys?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. We all know WhatsApp, right? Are we not using WhatsApp? Are we using WhatsApp or not? Yes. So there is a company called WhatsApp. WhatsApp company has WhatsApp employees. So there is a company called WhatsApp. WhatsApp company has WhatsApp employees. Okay. So WhatsApp employees, they decided to remove audio calling from WhatsApp app. From the WhatsApp app, WhatsApp company employees decided to remove the audio calling option. Okay. So they wanted to remove that audio calling option without management permission. They did remove that audio calling option. Okay. If they remove the audio calling option, all the WhatsApp users will get panic or not, guys? Hello. all the WhatsApp users will get panic, right? Okay. So WhatsApp employees decided to remove the video calling option as well. Employees will get all the WhatsApp users will get panic or not? So consider, guys, here WhatsApp employees decided to remove audio calling feature from the WhatsApp. Can they remove the WhatsApp audio calling feature without management approval? Without management approval, can they remove this audio calling feature from the management? From the management, they did not actually get the permission from the management, but they decided to remove that. Without management permission, can they remove audio calling feature from the WhatsApp? Can they remove it, guys? I think you are not able to speak, or did I not allow you? I allowed you to speak, right? Okay. Let us take another example. Facebook is an organization. In the Facebook company, there are Facebook employees. Facebook employees decided to remove Reels feature in the Facebook. Facebook employees decided to remove Reels feature from the Facebook. Can they remove it without management permission?
No.
No, right? Guys, remember this point. In the IT organizations, in the IT organizations, in the IT organization, if an employee has to make any change, an employee has to make any change, employee cannot make the software change. Employee cannot make the software change directly. Employee has to create the change request to management. Okay. In the IT organizations, guys, remember, in the IT organizations, if an employee has to make the software change, like removing the audio calling feature, like removing the Reels feature from the Facebook, if an employee has to make any software change, okay, employees not directly make the software changes. Employee cannot make the software change directly. So then what exactly employee has to do? Employee has to create change request to the management. Upon management approval, only then they can create they can actually make the software changes. So if an employee has to make any software change, they have to create a change request. Do you understand, guys, what is change request and all? Guys, what
Yes,
is
Uday.
change request? if an employee has to make any software changes, employee has to create a change request to the management. Upon change request creation, management approves. Once management has approved it, only then they can make the software change. Without management approval, IT employees cannot make the software changes. Okay. Without management approval, they should not change the software changes. So that is why every IT employee has to create a change request before he changes before he make any software changes in the organization. Okay. So I will give you an example. One more example. So we have phone pay feature. In the phone pay feature, in the phone pay app, so phone pay employees decided to remove balance checking option. So they want to remove the balance checking option. So if they remove the balance checking option directly without management approval, management will be angry on that guy, that employee. Management will be angry on that guy. Management may ask him to leave the organization. So if any software changes required, we have to create a change request to the management. Then we have to discuss with the management. Then we have to make the software change. So if there is any software change, we have to create a change request in the ServiceNow system. Okay. Till this point, you guys are clear, right? Everyone? Okay. Now we will be discussing types of change request. One is normal change request. Okay, normal change request, emergency change request, and standard change request. Okay. So we will first discuss about normal change request. Okay. So as we are discussing about WhatsApp is a company. In that WhatsApp company, WhatsApp employees are there. WhatsApp employees have developed a new feature called voice command feature. Okay. All the WhatsApp employees, right? They have developed a new feature called voice command feature. So in the WhatsApp app, there is no voice command feature so far. So there is no voice command feature so far in the WhatsApp app. Okay. So WhatsApp company employees, they developed this voice command feature. They want to add this voice command feature to the existing WhatsApp. Okay. So this voice command, what is this voice command and all? See, normally when you are actually traveling on the bike, when you are actually driving the car, when you are actually doing some work, it is very difficult to use WhatsApp, right? It is very difficult to use mobile, right? So in that case, WhatsApp should listen to your voice. Let me give you an example here. If I say, hey WhatsApp, send my location to Ramesh. Okay, send my location to Ramesh. Then WhatsApp will listen to our voice. WhatsApp will recognize our voice, and after recognizing our voice, WhatsApp will send our current location to the target person with which whose name we mentioned. Okay, it will send my current location to the person whom I listed. So here I am giving a voice command to my WhatsApp. Hey WhatsApp, send my current location to Suresh. So that WhatsApp will listen to my voice. It will send my current location to the target name that we mentioned. That voice command feature, WhatsApp employees have developed it. Okay. So they want to add that voice command feature to the existing WhatsApp software. So they want to add this voice command software to they want to add this voice command feature to existing WhatsApp software. Okay. So that means adding this feature to existing software is nothing but change, right? It is like change only, right? Adding a new feature to the existing WhatsApp software is nothing but new change, right? It's a new change to the existing WhatsApp software, isn't it? Guys, are you following me? So is it a change or not? Hmm? It's a change. So adding voice command feature to the existing WhatsApp software is a change. So WhatsApp employees have to add that new feature to the existing WhatsApp software. So in that case, employees have to create the change request. Okay, employees have to create the change request. So when they are actually creating the change request, they have three types of change request. Okay, which one they have to choose? Okay, so they developed the voice command feature. They want to add that voice command feature to the WhatsApp software on December first week. So here, December first week, 16th. So on 16th, let us take on 9th. Okay, on 9th of December, I want to add WhatsApp employees want to add this voice command feature to the WhatsApp on the 9th December. So that means before 9, right? Before 9th, they will actually develop this feature. Okay. They will create a change request. So they just type change request here. Can create new. Click on normal. You will select WhatsApp here. Voice command on. Okay. So you are adding voice command feature to the WhatsApp. So you will create this change request to the management. So here management uh, group you will select here. Okay. So while you are creating this change request, you will have to provide the justification. Enter benefits of implementing this change and impact if the change is not implemented. So what are the benefits by adding this voice command feature to the existing WhatsApp software? Those benefits you have to write here. Okay, if you add this voice command feature, what are the benefits that WhatsApp users will get? Those benefits you will have to write here. You can see enter benefits of implementing this change and impact if change is not implemented. So if this change request is done, what is the benefit that WhatsApp users will get? What is the disadvantage if this feature is not added to the existing WhatsApp software? If this feature is not added, so while they are actually driving, right? While WhatsApp users are driving, they cannot use WhatsApp. While in the driving also, if you want to use this WhatsApp, you have to use this voice command feature. The justification you will provide here, the management, the implementation plan. So how are you going to add this feature to the existing WhatsApp software? Enter sequential steps to implement this change. In addition, enter dependencies between steps and assignee. So here, what are the steps that are what are the steps that you are going to follow to add this feature to the existing WhatsApp software? So you will provide step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, something like that. You will be adding the steps here. So here risk impact analysis. See, enter potential risks and impact associated with this change. Include impact details if the change implementation is unsuccessful. Okay. After you adding this voice command feature, let us say WhatsApp app will not work for 1 hour. That is actually a risk. Okay. After adding this, while adding the voice command feature to the WhatsApp, right? While adding voice command to the WhatsApp, if the WhatsApp will not work for 1 hour, see, WhatsApp will not work for 1 hour means if the WhatsApp is not working for 1 hour, so whole world will get panic, right? So if at all we have such risks, you have to mention here, no risk. What is impact? So impact means what kind of WhatsApp users will get impact on this one. So we have different type of WhatsApp users, WhatsApp business users. Okay, WhatsApp business users, WhatsApp normal users. We are WhatsApp normal users. Okay, and we have different type of WhatsApp users. Which type of users will be impacted? So that also you have to mention here. We have backout plan. Backout plan is nothing but enter steps to revert the change if the change is priority. Change to its state prior to implementation, include information regarding. So that means, guys, if you add this voice command feature to the WhatsApp software, because of this voice command feature, audio calling option and video calling options are not working. Because of this voice command feature, audio calling option, video calling option is not working. So what is your immediate steps to make the previous software working? What is your immediate step to make the previous software working? So that is actually called backout plan. Are you guys following me? What is backout plan? Guys? Hello. Okay. So you have to provide the backout plan. So after adding this voice command feature, because of this one, let us say audio calling option, video calling option is not working. What is your immediate step? What is your immediate step to make the WhatsApp software is working as it is? What is your immediate steps to revert the WhatsApp software back to the previous state? Okay, we have test plan here. Okay, I'm actually clicking on test here. Okay, so here, how are you going to test after adding this voice command feature? How are you going to test it here? So field value has changed since last update. Enter details of planned and completed tests prior to implementation test. So that means after you adding this voice command feature to the WhatsApp, how are you going to test it? Those test details you will mention here. Now go to the schedule tab. In the schedule tab, you will mention December 2nd or December 9th. So between December 9th and December 10th. Okay. You are going to add this between these 2 days. You are going to add this voice command feature to the WhatsApp. So here cab required. Cab required means change advisory board. So here, let us say after creating the change request, management is taking some time to approval. Management is taking some time to approve. So in that case, what we will do, we will conduct a meeting. So cab required is actually a meeting. On which date you are going to conduct a meeting? So let us say before December, on November 9th, I am actually conducting a meeting. So who is going to lead this meeting? This guy is going to lead the meeting. So this meeting is for approvals, right? So before that, before December 9th, we will have a meeting. We will actually get this change request approved by explaining things to the management. Okay. Then you will create a change request. Okay. After creating the change request, you have to request the approval. You have to request the approval from this particular group, management group. Click on request approval. Click on request approval. Now it is in the SS phase. Now it is in the SS phase. You scroll little down here. In the SS phase, you can see I sent an approval to assignment group. In the SS phase, it has sent an approval to the assignment group. Assignment group is actually application development group. Okay. So in this group, somebody has provided the approval. So upon providing the approval, it went to authorize phase automatically. Okay. In the authorized phase, if you see here, change advisory board approval is also required here. Okay. Change advisory board approval is also required here. So I am actually providing the approval. Now it will go to scheduled phase automatically. So that means I have got the approval from the management. I have got the approval from the management. Okay. So we are actually in the scheduled phase. In the scheduled phase, it will wait for December 9th. Change request will wait for December 9th. So consider we are on December 9th. Today is December 9th. Okay. So it will automatically will go to implementation stage. So I am forcefully moving into implementation phase here. Now it is actually in the implementation phase. It is in the implementation phase. In the implementation phase, you can see there are two change requests are created. So these two change tasks, these are tasks, change tasks. Okay. So once you added voice command feature to the WhatsApp, immediately you will close this task. Once you added, see, during the implementation phase, that means in the implementation phase only you will add voice command feature to the WhatsApp. So in the implementation phase, what you will do, you will add that voice command to the WhatsApp existing WhatsApp software, right? So as soon as you immediately add that voice command feature to the WhatsApp, you have to immediately complete this task, implementation task. Okay. Means this task is completed means implemented its voice command feature is added to the existing WhatsApp software. So then you have post implementation testing task. So after adding voice command feature to the existing WhatsApp software, you have to test it, right? After testing it, you will actually complete this task. So once you completed these two tasks means you added voice command feature to the existing WhatsApp software successfully, and you have tested successfully as well. Okay, now you can see change request went to review phase automatically. In the review phase, you will provide your final feedback. In the review phase, you will provide your final feedback. And you will close the change request. Okay. Do you guys understand the life cycle of change management, guys? So do you guys understand the normal change request life cycle? Hmm? Hello. Why are you guys
Yeah,
not?
yes, Uday.
Okay. Let me just stop the recording.